Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best blood clotting products is probably one of the most critical aspects of both medical care and emergency response. These products are designed to quickly and effectively stop bleeding, whether in a hospital setting, during a surgical procedure, or in a first aid situation. Understanding the different types of blood clotting products and how they work can significantly impact patient outcomes and save lives. Number 5. Adventure Medical Kit's QuikClot Gauze. In any emergency, this gauze is essential. It quickly stops bleeding, supporting your body's natural clotting process. This is a must-have for any survival kit. This medical gauze is a staple in survival gear. Trusted by professionals for rapid bleeding control, it is designed for critical situations. You can rely on it when you need it most. The non-allergenic mineral ensures safe use. It is a vital part of any home emergency kit. This product is designed to be safe for everyone. This wound care dressing fits any kit. It offers versatile, fast-acting support for critical wounds. The design allows it to be used in various situations. Ideal for any trauma kit, this portable gauze is ready for action. It easily slips into any disaster kit. It is a compact emergency essential. What we like. This gauze stops bleeding fast, thanks to its military-grade assurance. It's trusted by professionals and is a vital part of any emergency kit. If you are looking for a reliable solution for rapid bleeding control, you should consider this. What people say. These QuikClot pads saved my mother's life. Worked almost instantly. This was super helpful in slowing down the bleeding significantly. Number 4. Adventure Medical Kit's QuikClot Gauze. In any emergency kit, this gauze is essential. It stops bleeding fast with kaolin, supporting your body's natural clotting process. This medical gauze is a staple in survival gear. It's trusted by professionals for rapid bleeding control in disaster preparedness kits. The non-allergenic mineral ensures safe use. It's a vital part of any home emergency or disaster kit. This wound care dressing fits any outdoor survival or travel kit. It offers versatile, fast-acting support for critical wounds. This product is designed to stop bleeding quickly. It is a must-have item for any emergency situation. What we like. This product is essential for any emergency survival kit, stopping bleeding fast. It is trusted by professionals for rapid bleeding control. If you need a reliable and safe option for your first aid kit, this is a great choice. What people say. Pressed it on and the bleeding stopped within 30s. It has stopped several of his heavy nosebleeds in a minute or less. The bleeding stopped, no visit to urgent care needed. Number 3. CURAD QuickStop Bleeding Control Bandages, 30 count. These bandages from CURAD use an M-Doc active to quickly stop bleeding. It's designed to provide fast relief for minor wounds. The bandages are perfect for wounds that tend to bleed for a while. The natural blood-stopping agent is very effective. The pad on this bandage is designed not to stick to the wound. This makes removal much easier and less painful. Inside, it includes cellulose, a natural wound agent. This helps in the healing process. These bandages are sterile, ensuring the wound is protected from infection. Always check the packaging to make sure it's not damaged before use. What we like. These bandages incorporate an M-Doc active to stop bleeding fast. The non-stick pad prevents sticking to the wound site, ensuring comfort. If you have persistent or recurring bleeding wounds, you should consider this. What people say. This product is more help to stop bleeding and especially for older adults. These are a lifesaver to keep in the house and on the go. I was really impressed with how quickly they stop bleeding from small cuts and scrapes, much faster than regular bandages. The fabric is soft, flexible, and stays put even when you're moving around, which makes it perfect for kids and adults alike. Works so well at stopping bleeding. Number 2. CURAD BloodStop 1x1 Hemostatic Gauze. Introducing CURAD BloodStop Hemostatic Gauze. This gauze is designed with special clotting technology. It helps stop most bleeding in a minute or less, making it a must-have for emergencies. Made from 100% natural fiber cellulose, it's safe for your skin. This gauze won't harm living tissue or make wounds worse, ensuring comfort and safety. Perfect for cuts, scrapes, and more serious bleeding. This hemostatic gauze is a great addition to any first aid kit or medical supplies. QuickClot BloodStop aids in effective wound management. It helps control bleeding and supports healing in various situations. Each pack includes 10 gauzes, each 1x1 in size. This provides multiple uses for different wound care needs, making it a cost-effective choice. What we like. This gauze provides quick bleeding control, stopping most bleeding in a minute or less. It's made from safe and natural materials, ensuring patient comfort. If you are looking for an effective solution for various injuries, you should consider this. What people say. It works to stop bleeding. These bandages are now in my toolkit for the most minor incidents. Usually he soaks the first one, but it does stop the bleeding, then I replace it with a new one when he stops bleeding. If you have a large wound, these work better than Band-Aids. Number 1. Curicyn BloodStop Powder, 3 ounces. Is your pet bleeding? This powder is designed to quickly stop bleeding caused by minor cuts or nail trimming. It's a must-have for any pet owner. Applied directly to the wound, it speeds up the blood clotting process. This helps to quickly seal the wound and minimize blood loss. This product is a great addition to your pet first aid kit. Made with 98% bentonite clay and 2% potassium aluminum sulfate, the ingredients are all natural. It's non-toxic if your animal licks it, making it safe for various pets. The twist-open bottle has a tapered applicator tip for easy use. You can apply it directly to the affected area, or insert the tip for deeper wounds. After the bleeding stops, this powder can help reduce inflammation and discomfort. It promotes healing, ensuring your pet recovers comfortably. This product is suitable for dogs, cats, horses, pigs, and more. It's a versatile solution for any pet owner dealing with minor injuries. What we like. This powder helps stop bleeding quickly for various animals. It uses all natural ingredients and features a tapered applicator tip for easy use. If you have pets and need a reliable solution for nail trimming or minor wounds, you should consider this. What people say. It stops bleeding very quickly and efficiently. Works great and package makes it easy to use without making a big mess. Loved that it worked. Used it on my cat who had deep wounds and he healed super fast. It stopped the bleeding on my other cat who had a minor cut. And healed a gash on one's belly within 4 days. This is one of the best things I have found. Every time I use this they heal faster and they don't lock it away. I have used it on all of my cats and this just works and they heal faster. It seals wounds and stops bleeding. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.